Good morning, Future Road. Welcome back. We are halfway through the week. It is Wednesday and it is October, I think 21st. Yep, it's the 21st, all right? We're having a great first week back here in the building. We hope you're enjoying it. Let's get ready to say the Pledge of Allegiance and stand up together, okay? So everybody, let's stand up. And then we are going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. And after that, we will have a moment of silence, okay? So, hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for our moment of silence. Okay, so hopefully I saw as a lot of you were getting out of your cars this morning that you did remember to wear orange, and it's okay if you didn't, but today is what we call Unity Day. And let me get out of the way here so you can read it. It's where we stand together against bullying. So most of us know what bullying is. It's when you aren't being kind or nice to someone, okay? You might threaten them or pick on them. There's lots of different ways you can bully someone, but we all know that that's not nice and it's not how we want to be treated. So that's what today is all about. It's where we take a stand against bullying and we say we're not going to do that, okay? We stand united. That's where the unity part comes from. But your teachers have a website that we sent out yesterday, and y'all can just talk about it. And I was looking through some of my books, and I love Mr. Pout Pout Fish. I should have got my Mr. Pout Pout Fish. But this one is called the Pout Pout Fish and the Bully Bully Shark. All right? So as I come to some of y'all's rooms today, I think I might read this book. And if your teacher wants to borrow it, she can. It's a cute book, and there's lots of other books out there about bullying. So another thing I wanted to share with y'all this morning is the coronavirus, okay? We have some videos that we're going to be watching each morning or, every other morning or so. Hopefully you already got to see our video about how we wear masks at Futrall Road. Today I have my Halloween mask. All right, and it's kind of cool. I've seen some really fun masks that look like animals. We've seen dinosaurs. I've seen some other Halloween ones. But let's watch a video right now about the coronavirus and why we're even wearing these masks, okay? So stay tuned and watch this video. Here it comes.
Hello, my name is Coronavirus. I'm sure you've heard my name before, but you may not know an awful lot about me. I'm really, really small. Even if you used a microscope, you wouldn't be able to see me. And there are lots and lots of copies of me. Can you guess how many copies of me would fit onto the end of a tiny pin? Well, the answer is millions and millions. Viruses like me are all over the world. Lots of us live on skin or clothes or toys, and most of them don't do any harm. But some of us, like my cousin's flu and common cold, do sometimes make people a bit sick. When I make someone feel sick, they have a disease called COVID-19. I'm all over the news and social media at the moment. It's important to remain calm and sensible. You may hear a lot of silly stories about me online or rumors about me from a friend. So let me introduce myself with some facts. I love traveling. I jump from person to person through coughs, sneezes, and touch. When I come to visit, I might make you feel hot and start coughing. None of these things are very nice and can make some people very sick. But I don't hang around for long, and almost everyone gets better. To help make everyone safer, make sure that you wash your hands with soap and water often for at least 20 seconds. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your sleeve when you sneeze or cough. Achoo! Try not to touch your eyes, mouth or face. don't touch other people. This means no handshakes, no hugs, and no high fives. Also, remember that older people are more likely to be sick when I'm around. So, to keep your grandparents and others extra safe, be really careful around them. If you feel hot or start coughing, make sure to tell whoever is looking after you. If you follow this advice, I'll stay away and less people will be sick.
Okay, so there was a lot of really great information in there, and it kind of explains why we're wearing our masks, okay? It's just going to help prevent this spread because it talked about when you cough and when you sneeze and sometimes when you touch somebody, that's how you can spread the coronavirus. And that goes for anything. It can be a stomach virus when your belly hurts, or the flu or strep throat. Anything like that is spread by touching, sneezing, coughing. So our masks and staying, our 6 feet or as far apart from each other as we can will help it from spreading to one another, okay? Well, we hope you have a terrific, fabulous Wednesday. Don't forget it's Unity Day, so we're going to really think about how we're not going to be a bully and things you can do to stand up against others who might be bullying someone, okay? So have a fabulous day, and we'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.